Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Apple Cash? In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to add Apple Cash to your payment methods and enhance your digital wallet experience. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Apple Cash set up on your device. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Select Apple Cash and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Once activated, you can send and receive money seamlessly. Step 2. Add money to your Apple Card or Apple Cash balance. To start using Apple Cash, you need to free fund or add funds. Here's how. Open the Wallet app. Tap on your Apple Cash card. Select the three dots in the top right corner and choose Add Money. Enter the amount you wish to add, minimum USD 10, and tap Add. Authenticate your transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can add money using a debit or prepaid card linked to your Apple Pay. Step 3. Using Apple Cash for payments. Now that your balance is ready, let's make some purchases. In stores, use Apple Pay at any terminal that accepts Visa by holding your iPhone near the reader. Online or in apps, select Apple Pay as your payment method during checkout. Virtual card number. If a merchant does not accept Apple Pay, tap three dots on your Apple Cash card in wallet to view your virtual card number for online purchases. Step 4. Manage your payments. You can easily manage how you want to use Apple Cash. Set up recurring payments directly from the wallet app for regular transactions. Transfer funds back to your bank account whenever needed. And there you have it. Adding Apple Cash to your payment method is quick and easy, allowing you to enjoy a more flexible way to handle money right from your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy spending!